A long winter is coming for Game of Thrones fans. The next installment in the series, A Night of the Seven Kingdoms, premieres in summer 2025. Luckily, there's will plenty of Westeros seized action to look forward to beyond the small screen. I know what you are thinking, but this is certainly not the winds of winter news. Sorry, I honestly couldn't tell you what keeping George R. R. Martin away from pen and paper these days. But according to Deadline and the Hollywood Reporter, Warner Bros. Has a Game of Thrones movie in the work. Take the news with a grain of salt because the project is an extremely early development, meaning no actors, director, or writers. Basically, all we know is that someone at Warner Bros. Uttered the phrase Game of Thrones movie at a pitch melting. Warner Bros. Has yet to even confirm the report. So, what could that movie be about? Turns out, 8 season and 2 spin-off on HBO. We have seen a large number of Martins, A Song of Ice and Fire series adapted from the small screen. When you are not pumping out content on a Marvel Studios level, new areas to explore dwindle rather quickly. Even so, there are still a few places a Game of Thrones movie could travel. This is all purely speculation, but we are ranked out ideas for the God movie from the most likely to least likely to occur below. Actor Kit Harington pitched a Jon Snow sequel series to HBO not long ago, but nothing even came of it. Currently, it's off the table because we all couldn't find the right story to tell that we were all excited about enough. Harrington revealed to Screen Rant in 2023, we dedicated to lay down tools within for the long being. There may be in a time future when we return to it, but at the moment, no still firmly on the ship is the moment better future for the big